Hi everyone, so today we finally got our Azur trial decks in. As you can see in front of me, I have one of each display. I just came from my local friendly game store. So yeah, I'm now actually, you can notice I'm in my car and I'm probably be doing an opening here because I'm just so excited. But let me get back to do a little setup and we can look at what can we get from these decks. So yeah, see you guys really soon. So now we are down to our last faction, Sakura Empire. Hang on a second. Okay, yeah, realized that my camera was a bit not set up right. So we are down to our last faction, Sakura Empire. We see Ayanami as the SR card. Similarly, we have 16 triple rare and 4 SP cards for this faction as well. So at least we know from the trial decks there seem to be 16 SP. Wow, that's really insane. Like I said, it's like Hololive all over again, right? So anyway, this is our last faction that we'll be opening today and our last hope of getting a sign card. The odds is 1:24. We did get 24 trial decks today, but of course they are from a different case because they are all different faction, right? So yeah, not sure if we will be able to So this is our last hope for today, our last trial deck display. But like I said, Sakura Empire, one of my favorite factions of the game. Reason being, I started off pulling a lot of SSR from Sakura Empire, and that is why when I played the game, Sakura Empire has always been one of my favorite factions because they were with me right from the very start. Okay, Akagi and Kaga, our fox sisters. I remember farming for them so hard back then because they are a stage drop and not a gacha pool character. But man, they were worth it because even up to today, they still remain a staple of my fleet. Climax. I do like the Sakura Empire Climax a lot. Okay. No sign of the triple rare yet. So I'm guessing it's going to be a climax. Triple rare. Yep, and I was whoa. So it is our fox sister. Triple rare climax, Akagi and Kaga. Wow, that looks really good. Yeah, this really looks very good. Okay, so very nice hit for our first deck. Let's move on to deck number 2. Okay, now we move on to deck number 2. Okay, let's see. I mean, the trial deck SP can be at any position, so this is always but usually it's towards the second half of the deck. So let's see. I mean, the high rarity cards, like, I mean, it need not be an SP that we can pull, right? So let's see. Okay, another triple rare climax. That's nice. Like I mentioned, I'm always very happy to pull the climax. Oh, that was very noisy. Apologize for that. Okay, moving along. Deck number 3. So far at least we got 2 triple rare climaxes for Sakura Empire, so that's always good. So lesson learned, if you are opening packs in a car, I think it's okay, but if you're going to open displays, please wait till you go home. This is the first time and the last time I will be too eager to open the products that I can't wait to go home. So yeah, there we go. What is it? Okay, Atago triple rare, very nice. Some, I think it's a New Year outfit or something, but okay. So 3 decks down, 3 more decks to go. Oops, sorry, I accidentally bumped my camera. So let's see. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, so another triple rare. This is a very nice skin, but yeah, unfortunately it is still not an SP, and we only have 2 more decks to go through. Okay. Okay, so again, very nice triple rare. I think the Sakura Empire ships do have one of the nicer skins in the game. The triple rare foils do look really good. But yeah, this is our 5th deck, and unfortunately also no sign of that SP anywhere. So this is our last hope. So boys and girls, if you really want to get a trial deck sign card, my advice is just get an entire case. An entire case of 48 decks. You will get 2 SP. Save yourself the agony like what I did, buying 4 displays and end up with nothing. So yeah, I really wish I could get a full carton. I should have gotten a full carton of Sakura Empire, because that's my favorite faction in the game, rather than to get 24 loose trial decks and end up with nothing. But I mean, this is a gamble you take, right, every time when we open products. Just that recently my luck has been quite horrible for Y Source. So hopefully we can do better for the boosters. Is this another climax? Oh wow, Kaga triple rare. I do have this skin of her in the game. This would have been a nice artwork to use as a sign card for Kaga, but yeah, they decided to use this artwork as a triple rare. Still very rare. Like I said, I like Sakura Empire character design the most. They hold a special place in my heart, but yeah. So looks like we are done with 24 trial decks today. Unfortunately, no sign card at all. But out of all the triple rare, at least I'm quite glad that we pulled this Kaga triple rare. So anyway, this is not an ideal place to do an opening. So I will do a recap video of all our triple rares from the 4 trial decks when I get home. So yeah. But at the very least, you can see some of the cards from the trial deck first while I do a recap the next time round. So take care, stay safe, and hopefully your pulls are much better than mine. Bye now!